All right, so now that we've talked about the different levels of organization in living systems, from the individual to the community, or to the population, to the community, and to the ecosystem, we can talk a little bit more about a couple of words that we will encounter. In the ecosystem, there are two types of factors. There are biotic factors and abiotic factors. And when we think about these types of factors, I think it's good to kind of stop and look at these words. Many times in science, you will see the same prefixes and suffixes. Prefixes are parts of words at the beginning, and suffixes are parts of words at the end. And here we have the word bio, or the prefix bio. Bio means life. So biotic factors, these are just the living parts of an ecosystem. The animals, the humans, the plants, the fungi, the bacteria, anything that is living is considered a biotic factor. On the other hand, we have what are considered abiotic factors, and the prefix a in front of a word means without. So without life. So these are the non-living physical or chemical components of an ecosystem. These might include air, minerals, rocks, water, soil, sunlight. And so if we look at an example of an ecosystem here, we've got a pond and a forest and some mountains. Some of the biotic factors, well, first of all, I just want you to pause and think about what might be some of the biotic factors in this ecosystem. If you said any of those animals, any of those plants, any of the bacteria that we cannot see, those are the biotic factors. Now stop and think about what are some of the abiotic factors in this ecosystem. The rocks are an example of an abiotic factor. The water, the air, the mountains, the snow, these are all abiotic factors. The sunlight that is coming down. So the difference between biotic factors and abiotic factors. Again, biotic factors are living things, abiotic factors are non-living things. And these are both parts of an ecosystem.